Thank you for joining this presentation for presenters at the COABE National Conference. First, I'd like to show you where you can download the app. You want to go to conferences right here, so coabe.org, go to conference right here, and when you click on this right here, you're going to see the opportunity to click on Conference App. You want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see this is where you can download it on the App Store or Google Play. I highly recommend you download it to your laptop or PC. This is really important. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you're going to go to the COABE Conference app and you will be given the opportunity to update your account. So your edit profile right here. And this is really important so that people will be able to see you and see your picture. So you can upload your picture right here. You can put in your title, the company, put in tags that you think would be appropriate for you, as well as your bio. When that's all done, you click Save right here. Next, I wanted to mention that you can go over to where People, right here at the top, this tab at the top, you can click on Presenters. And this is where you'll be able to see yourself and other presenters. You can see the ones who've taken the time to edit their profiles and those that have not. So I highly recommend that you do that. You can learn about Jamie and you can click to view her profile, to send a message, or to schedule a meeting. So some great functionality there. As well, here under People, you can also come down to Presenters FAQs. We update this all the time. We want this to be a wonderful resource to you as a presenter. So please feel free to check these often. Next, I can come up here to Schedule. And this is really important because this is where you can manage your sessions. So I clicked on my agenda. I went to Schedule and I clicked on my agenda. And when I click in here, I can click right in here and I can go up to Manage. When I start to manage this, I can add in files and resources. Here's where I can display the name, test file, the type, this is upload file, or use an external link, and then just hit Save. I can also add polls. These are really user-friendly, easy polls that you can add in. What's really nice about these is that you have the option of multiple choice, free text entry or rate. You have the option of displaying your information as a pie chart or a horizontal bar graph. You can display the results as percentages or counts. And you can change this so the vote button says respond, for example. So you can change this. Also, you can have the polls be viewable only so that only the speaker can see them, or everybody can. You can also hide the polls from attendees until the general session starts, or if you wanted to, you could have people take the poll before the session, or you can have a mix of it. You could create multiple polls. You hit Create right here, and it will save it. Now, if let's say I'm done adding my poll, I come back up here, back to meeting details. Let's say I want to see who's registered to attend my session. Here they are so far, people that are registered. I can start conversations with them, right? Schedule a meeting, send a message. I can see what sessions these people they're the presenter for, and I can click and add that to my agenda. So that's a neat feature there as well. I can always go back, just click back this way, and I can start a discussion if I'd like to do that. Excuse me 1 second here. I can start a discussion, and I can also see on my check-in that 49 people are registered. So that is one wonderful way that I can begin to manage my session. So here's a new conversation I'm going to start, right? I'm going to add my conversation here, add my message, put in a picture, and hit send. That's going to go to everybody. So it's a really great way that you can manage your session. Let's say that I feel I don't have enough interest. I really want to have hundreds or maybe thousands of people attend. I can come up here to Conversations, Public Forum, and I can start a new conversation on the public forum. This goes out to everybody. I can do that right here. I can add my image as well as my message and hit send. Then I can also look through and see what are other people doing? What are other people posting about? I can decide, hit reply, or I can like her comment. So that's really nice as well. As well, I can come up here and I can check out strand partners. Let's say I'd like to see all the sessions, all of the organizations associated with that strand are listed right here. So that's really nice. And I can even visit their booth. Say I want to see what their booth looks like. And when they start adding in information, I'll be able to see that. I can request information. I can start a conversation with them. I can click enter virtual trade show booth, and it will give me the opportunity to start a discussion with them and to look at the polls that they've set up, the files that are in their booth, all that sort of thing. So that's really neat functionality as well. I can join a live meeting where I can talk kind of face-to-face through a Zoom meeting. So that concludes our session here. I just want to also say one last thing, and that is that this video tutorial will be located here under video tutorials. It will be a tutorial specifically for presenters. Thanks so much, presenters. We appreciate all that you're doing. Bye now.